Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to this channel. Alright, so what's good YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Son, who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with another video. What's up guys? What's going on? How is everyone doing? I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in, checking us out today. But if you are brand new, please do me a favor. Feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. We are on the road, the journey to hitting 10,000 subscribers this year. And you could be that subscriber to bring us that much more closer. So please do me a favor. Do yourself a favor. Hit that subscribe button down below. Also too, if you are brand new, you're probably gonna want to get notified, every time we drop a brand new video around here. And me, I like to keep it consistent. I try and upload every day, but I may miss a day here or two, but I'm pretty consistent. So please do me a favor, do yourself a favor, hit that notification bell down below, and it'll do exactly that. It'll let you know every time we drop a brand new video. Now guys, it is Friday, Memorial Day weekend. If you don't know, now you know. Today's video is brought to you by J&M Sneakers. If you're new and you don't know who they are, the links to their Instagram will be in my description. Make sure you check them out. If you decide to shop with them, please just let them know that your man, the son of some man, has sent you to them, and guaranteed they'll take extra good care of you. I looked these up on YouTube. I didn't really see anybody with them. I didn't really see anybody doing any, reviews on them or anything. I actually walked into J&M today thinking that I was going to pick up the Lanies, but they don't land until tomorrow, so we'll be taking a look at that. So make sure you stay tuned to the channel. Hit that subscribe button, you heard? But I figured, you know what? Let's take a look at these Air Jordan 1 lows. These are the coconut milk colorway. You know what? They come in, their typical Air Jordan 1 box. Take them out though. These are they're pretty dope, but here you go guys, the Air Jordan 1 Low Coconut Milk. Now, the official colorway is coconut milk, black and white. Now, as you can see, taking a look at the unfinished parts of the shoe, they are definitely taking inspiration from the Off-White. I don't want to hear it, because that's how the Off-White looks. The whole entire shoe looks like that. But I gotta say, man, these are pretty clean for an Air Jordan 1 Low. Now, they got a couple of Air Jordan 1 Lows that are actually dropping this year that I actually wanted to, I mentioned, on previous videos, that I actually want to take a look at. We already did a review on a Jordan 1 Low, which the Union. If you haven't seen that video, click the link at the top of the screen. It'll take you directly to that video. But make sure you come here and finish this video, because these are absolutely clean, man. This is a nice summer sneaker. I'll give you guys a quick 360 before we actually do a on foot the review and on foot. You got Nike Air on the insole. Really nice hits, man. But be sure to let me know down in the comment section what you guys think of this. I guess obviously it's a new colorway, but just a new theme all around, honestly, with all the exposed foam. They went like a little bit overboard too, like on every single end of it is exposed foam. On every single, end of the material, on the ends of every piece of material on the shoe, it actually has exposed foam. But guys, we're going to be taking a deeper, closer look into this shoe. Maybe we'll do it tomorrow. If not, because I want to drop that Laney, the review and on foot tomorrow. So please make sure you stay tuned to the channel. Like I said, hit that subscribe button if you have not hit it yet. Hit it now. I'll wait. But guys, I want to thank J&M Sneakers for always taking care of us. They truly do help this channel out. They help this channel grow. And we're growing every single day, guys. But guys, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think of the Air Jordan 1 Low Coconut Milk. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Until next time, it is your man, the son of some man. And we're out, guys. Peace.